Hello guys, welcome to Dream Space Decor YouTube channel. So if you enjoy watching home interior ideas that are easy to understand, then please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon so you never miss any of our new video. So today we are going to talk about kitchen decoration and how to make a small or big kitchen look beautiful, clean and useful kitchen in one of the most important area in our house. It is not just a place to cook food but also a space that shall feel peaceful and easy to work in. So let us begin with the kitchen layout. Before making or changing your kitchen, you should always look at the shape and size of the space. A strength kitchen, L shape or U shape. These are some of the most common type. Choose the layout which fit best in your home. So if your kitchen is small, go for a strength layout with storage only one wall. If your space is a bit more than L shape is a better ideas. For bigger kitchen, U shape look beautiful and give lots of working space. So now let us talk about storage in every kitchen. Storage is very important. You should keep your things in the right place. You can add wall shelves or close boxes to keep your jars, bowls or plates and other things. So if you do not want to spend too much, simple wooden boxes with doors are great options. Keep the things you use daily in lower area and the things you use sometime in the upper area. Try to keep the kitchen counter clean. Do not put too many things on it. A clean counter makes the kitchen look bigger and fresh. You can keep one fruit basket, a water bottle and a few cooking items only. This rest of the things should be inside boxes or shelves. So lighting is also very important in the kitchen. If you have a window in your kitchen, let the sunlight come in. Natural light make the space look bright and happy. At night, use soft white or warm yellow lights. You can add a small lights under the shelves to make it look nice and also help while cooking. Now let us talk about kitchen color themes. Light color like cream, light grey and light blue or soft yellow make the kitchen look open and peaceful. So if you want a modern look, you can try white and wood color mix, or a stylish look black and white is also a good idea, but only in big kitchens. Tiles and walls also play an important role in kitchen beauty. Use easy to clean tiles behind the stove or sink area. You can choose simple tiles or even printed ones, flower or simple lines. The rest of the wall can be printed with a light shades to match the kitchen themes. Now we come to the flooring. The kitchen floor should be not slippery. Choose tiles that are easy to clean and safe to walk on. You can also use simple anti-slip mats in area where water might fall. To add some extra beauty, you can place small decoration like one flower pot, a clock or one family photo frame, but remember, do not put too many things. Keep it simple and neat. Do not forget about chimney or exhaust fan. Cooking makes smoke and it shall not stay inside. A small fan or chimney help keep the kitchen fresh and smoke free. It also stops the wall from getting black. Also think about dustbin space. Keep it hidden under the sink or inside a small box. It shall not be visible all the time. So if you want to give your kitchen a special look, you can try editing a small breakfast table. If there is enough space to chair and a small round table, make a cute eating corner in the kitchen. Now finally, keep your kitchen always clean and fresh. After cooking, wipe the counter, put everything back in place and throw away waste. A clean kitchen not only look good but it also keeps the house healthy. So friends, this was today's video on how to make your kitchen look good and useful. If you like these ideas and want more such simple and helpful interior design videos, then please subscribe to Dream Space Decor YouTube channel. Also like this video and share it with your friend or family who are planning to change their kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video with more home ideas. Take care and happy decorating.